How to get God pants in Minecraft. So first, make sure that your cheats and commands are enabled, and to do that, just simply click on escape, click on open to LAN, make sure that allow cheats is turned on, and just simply click on start LAN world. Now once that's done, just go to the description of this video and copy the command that I will put right there. And once you've copied it, open Minecraft, click on letter T on your keyboard, then just simply paste the command right here. So this command will only work on versions of Minecraft that is 1.20.4 and older. So if you have that version, you can simply copy it and paste it right here on your command line. And after that, just simply click on enter. And now, as you can see, I now have the God pants or leggings right here, which I can then equip here on my character. And as you can see, this has all these kinds of enchantment: the thorns protection, fire protection, and blast protection enchantment. So as you can see, it is only level 255, but in older versions of Minecraft, it can be level 1000. And that's how you basically get the God pants in Minecraft.